Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the laptop. Save any work and plug in the AC adapter so power interruptions do not corrupt firmware settings. Once done, shut down fully rather than using sleep or hibernate. A full shutdown ensures the boot menu key is read. You should identify your Acer model now because different models use different keys. Most use F12 for boot menu or F2 for BIOS. Make sure you have both keys in mind and be ready to press them immediately after powering on. Power the Acer on and immediately begin tapping F12. If nothing appears, try ESC, F2, or Dell depending on model. Once the screen shows the Acer logo, keep tapping. Timing is critical because fast boot shortens the window. If your laptop has a small Novo or recovery button, press it with a paperclip while the device is off to access the menu. Use arrow keys to move through entries and press Enter to choose a USB drive, DVD, or EFI boot option. This selects the device for one-time boot. After selecting the device and booting, make persistent changes in BIOS if you want that device prioritized on future boots. Enter BIOS with F2 to adjust boot order and save changes. If the boot menu keys fail, reboot and disable fast boot in BIOS or enable the F12 boot menu option because those options can hide the menu. If firmware is unresponsive, remove battery or reset CMOS as a last resort. This clears settings but can fix corrupted boot behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.